Welcome back. We have two identical computers, the laptop HP Pro on the left, and we have a G2 desktop mini on the right. And they're identical computers, they're clones, with the laptop being the master, the original. And we have QuickBook Pro 2016, compatible with Windows 10, loaded on each of the computers. If we go to customers on the left, we have a list that is not quite the same. Notably, the top customer, Al Murphy, is missing on the right. So I want to demonstrate how the data moves across using the syncing. Or in this case, it's not really syncing. All data is synced, all the static data, all the data that doesn't continually change. We have it syncing, and we're using the OneDrive on each of the computers. And up to date, they're trying to sell me the Personal Vault on the right side. But we just have regular syncing, principally our data folder, documents folder rather, on each of the computers back and forth. Now, our current company file, Alltech Coach, and it's at 4:44 p.m. on today's date. And what we're going to do simply is, to begin with, do what folks usually do on their QuickBooks. They move across, copying actually. They copy their file to the flash drive. All right, and then we have our flash drive information on the left. And we open up, actually, we go to not OneDrive, but sync.com, go to the cloud setting. And there's our vault. And we're going to upload we can simply drag across the file. The latest QBW file on Alltech Coach is now uploading to the sync vault, which is a not a syncing location, but it's for storage. Basically, it's the same as a flash drive, but it's, of course, in the cloud, and it can be accessed by the computer on the right, the desktop computer, from anywhere where it happens to be located. So, going to over here on the right, going to the vault, and it's not there yet. As you can see on the left, It's still uploading. We're on AT&T DSL here. Reliable service, but not the fastest in the world, that's for sure. And we're waiting for completion of the upload. It's only 12.6 megabytes. But we can't download it to the second computer until it's up there. In reality, not a problem, because typically two computers are not sitting next to each other. One is at the office, perhaps. The other one is at home or a second location of some kind. And as you can see on the left, it's finally completing. And there's a check next to it. Okay, so now on the right, we're going to go to Sync again. Cloud. Go to the Vault. And there's the latest Alltech Coach QBW. Previous ones, we altered the name so we can save it here also, but it won't interfere with a conflict with the latest file that's just come in. Okay, so now we have it. We can download on the right. Download is much quicker than the upload. Still not terribly fast, but faster. And we're just waiting. So the QBW has been transferred to the Cloud Vault at simp.com. And now we're downloading it to the second computer. And it will show up in downloads, as we'll see in a few moments. Taking its time. And there it is. And we're going to save the file. And now we can close all this. We have a shortcut to the downloads. And there it is. Alltech Coach. The latest one at 4:51 just came in. And we have a flash drive on this computer too. And we can now move over the latest QBW for Alltech Coach. It's now on the flash drive. This is a shortcut to the location where the company file usually is. That's being active. I've just clicked on the latest file, QBW, and now there we are. We have the latest customer, Al Murphy, at the very top, and the QuickBooks on the right is now up to date. Now, so it's really a manual process for QuickBooks. And the reason for that is QuickBooks is continuously changing. But between the computers, documents, whatever they may be, are in sync automatically. In our setup right now, OneDrive is doing all the regular syncing. And we're just using sync.com, not for syncing, but for the manual transfer from the Secure Vault at Sync. Sync is encrypted, and that's one reason why we're using it. It also can do the same job that Microsoft's OneDrive does. But for now, we've decided to do it in this fashion. That's basically a demonstration of how QuickBooks works in a remote situation. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.